Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a quiz app on Thunkable. First, let's get started by opening Thunkable and creating a brand new project. Choose a blank app template to give us a clean slate. Next, we'll add the essential components: one label to display our quiz questions and 4 buttons to serve as the multiple-choice answer options. Arranging these components neatly, perhaps within a vertical arrangement, will ensure a clear and intuitive user interface for your quiz takers. Now, let's focus on making our quiz app look great and function smoothly. Customize the text and background colors of your question label and answer buttons to make them visually appealing and easy to read. You might also want to include a dedicated label to display the user's current score and a next question button to advance through the quiz. Remember, consistent styling across all elements, like using a uniform font size of 24 points, significantly improves the user experience. Special power cards add an exciting strategic layer to the game. You can play these cards on your turn to either boost your own progress or cleverly disrupt your opponents. For example, a +1 card forces another player to add an extra structure card to their castle, making their goal harder. The pig card can give an opponent a 2x multiplier card, increasing their challenge. And a reroll card lets you or an opponent try their luck with the dice again. Before publishing, it's crucial to thoroughly test your quiz app. Use the Thunkable live test feature on your mobile device to ensure all buttons, questions, and scoring mechanisms function as expected. You might also want to add a reset quiz button, allowing users to easily restart the game. For more advanced features, consider adding a countdown timer for each question or implementing different quiz categories, offering hundreds of unique questions to keep users engaged.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.